you're someone who's been wanting to start a YouTube channel, or maybe you already have a YouTube channel but you just don't know what to niche down in, well, today's your lucky day, honey, because I'm going to be sharing with you guys 10 YouTube channel ideas that is growing fast in 2020. So you can go ahead and just pick one that speaks to you. Guys, listen. Make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'm going to be sharing with you a bonus tip on how you can make more money on YouTube besides ad revenue. Watch it to the end, okay? Welcome back to my channel, everyone. And if it's your first time here, welcome. If you want to learn how to start a YouTube channel, or even just to grow the YouTube channel that you already have, you're in the right place, because I'm here to help you grow your influence on YouTube using your videos. And the first YouTube channel idea is organization channel. If you're somebody who loves to organize, then you can turn that passion into a YouTube channel. You can be helping people who have problem or who struggle with organizing. People are always looking for organization ideas. Guys, with this YouTube channel idea, the possibilities are endless. You can do bedroom organization, closet organization, under the bathroom sink or under the kitchen sink organization, because most of us under that place is a mess. We need your help. So the possibilities are endless. You can do so much different organization. Kids organization for the kids room. There's this channel that I follow that I subscribe to, Brittany Vassor. I hope I'm pronouncing her last name right, Vassor. She has over 1 million subscribers, and that's what she does on her channel. She organizes, and I watch her because, of course, as I say, people, including myself, are always looking for organization ideas and videos to help you organize your life, because sometimes they come up with some tricks that you have never seen or you never thought of for yourself. So it's great. Oh, and the best part is you can do that channel for free, because you can just organize your own house and record it. As I said before, guys, when you're starting a YouTube channel, try your very best to find a niche that you're passionate about. Guys, this is something that you're going to be doing week after week after week. If it is not something that you're passionate about, you're going to get demotivated. You're going to get in the, oh, I can't bother stage. And you don't want that. You have to be passionate about what you do so you can keep going, because YouTube is a long-term thing. Just make sure that it is something that you love, okay? Lest you're going to get tired real fast. And the next YouTube channel idea is fitness. No, fitness is a broad topic that is really oversaturated. So what you want to do for this is niche all the way down. For example, you could start a fitness channel that caters specifically for beginners, people who probably has never been on a treadmill in their life, people who never run from point A to point B, no matter how short it is. Those are the people that you could probably create a channel for them. So your niche and your audience would be specific, just extreme beginners. So if you were to create a channel like that, you'd have more people coming your way, because you're solving their problem. You're solving beginners' problem. And remember, the way to get subscribers is to solve people's problem and answers people's question. Home decor. Home decor is another channel idea that is growing fast in 2020. So if this is something that you're interested in, go for it. But just like fitness, this niche is oversaturated. So what you're gonna have to do again is niche all the way down. And with this, you could do like farmhouse decor, minimalist decor. There's so many different ways you can go about this. There's this channel again that I watch, Mr. Kate. She is amazing. She and her husband, they are amazing, Mr. Kate and Joey. If you're just getting started, then this is a great idea, as it is very cost effective, because you can do it for free. All you have to do, or that's another idea, you can do home decor on a budget. So therefore, you'd create different rooms in your house on a budget, like redecorate different rooms in your house on a budget. And again, Mr. K channel is a perfect example of this. That's what she does. So you can draw inspiration from her. Guys, each person on each topic that I mentioned is just channels. As I always say to you, make sure that whenever you're creating a YouTube channel, you find people that are successful. Success leave clues, and that's what you want to follow. So these people that I mentioned in each topic, those could be your mentor. Those could be the channels that you go to for inspiration. So pay attention. The next YouTube channel idea is how to grow on social media. So if you have any knowledge on like Instagram growth, YouTube, or even say Pinterest, that's a great idea for a YouTube channel, because everybody wants to learn how to grow on YouTube or grow on Pinterest or even on Instagram. Starting a YouTube channel with any one of these ideas is a very great way to start, because people are always searching on YouTube how to grow, how to be successful on these platforms. So those are contents that are always going to be searched for. So if you can provide them with those answers, you're good. The next channel idea is tech review channel. This is another great idea, because if people know that this is what you do, this is what you have to offer, then you're going to get subscribers. If people can rely on you for information about new products that comes on the market, then you're going to always have subscribers. Your channel will be growing. So if you can get your hand on products that just hit the market and do reviews on them, you're going to be soaring. Next, we have food channel. This also is a great niche, but also very oversaturated. So what you want to do is take a branch from the tree. So for example, because food is such a broad topic, what you want to do is niche all the way down. So probably you could do keto diet planning or vegan diet planning, something that has to do with food but is not that broad. And when you focus on that, that's how you're going to grow your channel. That's how you're going to get subscribers, because people are going to know you for what you do, what your channel is about. So just take a branch from that big topic and make it your niche. Next, you have mommy channel. These are growing fast in 2020. So if you're pregnant or if you have a newborn, you can create a channel around that. You can do newborn care, you can do newborn essentials, or if you're, as I say, if you're pregnant, then you can say pregnancy care, pregnancy videos, pregnancy clothes, like what to wear throughout, the entire pregnancy, like what to do, what to eat, stuff like those. So you can literally turn that into a niche. And when it comes to a baby, a newborn, you can document your child's life as they grow. So you can do newborn care, newborn essentials. When the baby is a little bit older, you can do toys that you recommend. Then when the baby is 6 months and start to eat food, you can do how to make baby food. When the child is a toddler, you can just go, the possibilities are endless. So you can just go step by step with your child and just use that as your niche. That's amazing. As I said, people are always looking for ideas. So if you can do it, that's good. Next up on the list is cleaning channel. Some people would never believe that this is a thing. Like, cleaning channel? Yes, these are growing fast in 2020 also. Because as I say, people need motivation to clean their own homes. So if you can clean your house and film it, that also is very cost effective. Clean your house and film it, and people are going to watch your videos for inspiration. There's another channel that is awesome. It is called Clean My Space. They also have over 1 million subscribers, and that's what she does. She do like how to clean with baking soda. She do how to clean a bathroom, how to clean your fridge, how to keep vegetables fresh, just stuff like those that has to do with home. And now they make a business out of it outside of YouTube, a cleaning business. So with this, you can do a lot. I tell you, these videos are very popular. They have hundreds of thousands of views on them. So if you can do that, then you have a channel, honey, that will be growing fast. The next YouTube channel idea is travel. I know. It sounds expensive, but it doesn't have to be. You live somewhere, right? You live in a city, right? So not because the topic says travel doesn't mean that you have to be traveling the world. What you can do is the city that you live in, you can make videos about that city, like places you recommend for visitors, and you can also do like partnership with different hotels. So like if you can refer somebody there, then the hotel will give you affiliate commission for the people that you recommend there. That's another way how you can make money. The next YouTube channel idea is creating a channel around your hobby. So if, for example, you like DIY, you can create a channel that does DIY home decor, inexpensive home decor using inexpensive items. These channels are really growing also in 2020, growing fast. So if you can recreate or DIY high-end home decor items, so for example, you could see a piece like in Z Gallery that is like $300, but you go out and you buy stuff and you recreate that piece that costs you much less, but it looks the same. So, and the next YouTube channel idea that is growing fast in 2020 is, believe it or not, honey, but homeschooling. If you have children, you can do a homeschool channel. So if you have a study room, you can make a video about how you put together that study room for them, or how you put together the different lessons for different subjects that you teach them throughout the day. Or you could also focus on homeschooling tips for kids. With this, my dear, you can eventually sell courses on how to homeschool effectively, or you can even sell lesson plans for each subject that you teach in your homeschool. Guys, the idea here is to niche down as much as possible. Some people have the idea that the more views you get and the more engagement you get on your channel, that's the more money you make, but that's not always the case. So when you're focused in one niche and you have a specific target audience, eventually you can sell them like coaching programs or online courses, or even do like a one-on-one consultation with them. Because this would mean that you are an expert in the niche that you choose, and these people would be more likely to buy stuff from you because they watch your videos, you speak directly to them, and they trust you. They know and trust you for what you do. So let's say you were to make a channel on homeschool. This would mean that you'd have a specific target audience, and the videos that you make would be speaking directly to them. So in the future now, when you're ready to do course, an online course or one-on-one consultation, these people would be much more likely to buy from you because you've been there answering their questions. You've been there giving them solution to their problems. They would know you and trust you for what you do, the contents you produce. So they would definitely buy from you. And this is another way how you can make money on YouTube without depending solely on the YouTube ad revenue. Niche down, be an expert in whatever niche you're doing so that people can trust you. That's how you make money, because they're going to trust you. So whenever you're ready to create that course, or whenever you're ready to take one-on-one consultation calls, they'll feel free to pay you. They'll be happy to give you business because they know that you know what you're talking about. Guys, if you've made it this far in the video, please go ahead and leave me a comment of your favorite movies, because I'm looking for a recommendation and I want to know that you're here until this moment in the video. So please go ahead and leave me your favorite movie. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.